Welcome to our expedition, a journey through the diverse landscapes of Victoria, a state nestled in the southeastern corner of Australia. This region, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its stunning coastlines to its vibrant cities, Victoria is a place of endless exploration and wonder. This often overlooked region offers a captivating blend of natural wonders, vibrant cities and captivating history. Melbourne, the state's capital, is a bustling metropolis known for its cultural diversity, world-class dining and thriving arts scene. But beyond the city limits, Victoria unfolds into a tapestry of picturesque countryside, historic towns and pristine natural parks. From the rugged coastlines sculpted by the relentless Southern Ocean to the tranquil forests of the hinterland, Victoria harbours a remarkable array of habitats, each teeming with life. The Great Ocean Road, one of the world's most scenic coastal drives, offers breathtaking views of the ocean and the iconic 12 Apostles. Inland, the dense forests and rolling hills provide a sanctuary for a diverse range of wildlife, including koalas, kangaroos, and an array of bird species. Our exploration will take us through bustling cities, charming towns, and breathtaking natural environments, all within a stone's throw of each other. In the heart of Melbourne, you'll find a city alive with energy. From its bustling laneways filled with cafes and street art to its grand Victorian architecture. Just a short drive away, the quaint towns of Victoria offer a glimpse into the region's rich history and heritage, with well-preserved buildings and local festivals that celebrate the area's unique culture. Prepare to encounter unique wildlife, immerse yourselves in rich cultures, and witness the raw beauty that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. Victoria's national parks and reserves are a haven for nature lovers, offering scenic hiking trails, hidden waterfalls, and opportunities to see native animals in their natural habitats. Cultural festivals throughout the year showcase the state's diverse communities, from food and wine events to music and arts festivals, so join me as we embark on this unforgettable adventure, uncovering the hidden gems and untold stories that make Victoria a true treasure trove of experiences. Whether you're an avid adventurer, a history buff, or simply looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Victoria has something to offer everyone. Let's dive into this journey together and discover the magic that lies within this extraordinary state.
Our journey begins on the world-renowned Great Ocean Road, a winding ribbon of asphalt that clings to the edge of the continent. Carved into the rugged cliffs by pioneering hands, this iconic route offers breathtaking vistas of the Southern Ocean's raw power and untamed beauty. As we traverse this remarkable highway, the landscape unfolds before us like a living tapestry. Towering cliffs, sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and wave, plunge dramatically into the churning surf below. The air is alive with the cries of seabirds, their calls echoing across the vast expanse of the ocean.
Our journey takes us now to Phillip Island, a haven for wildlife nestled just off the coast of Victoria. Here, amidst the wind-swept dunes and crashing waves, we encounter a remarkable spectacle of nature, the penguin parade. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the beach, a remarkable procession begins. Emerging from the waves like miniature tuxedo-clad commuters, hundreds, sometimes thousands of little penguins waddle ashore after a long day of fishing.
And now, we journey from the coast, venturing inland towards the heart of Victoria. As we leave the rugged coastline behind, the landscape begins to change, revealing a tapestry of lush greenery and undulating hills. The drive itself is a scenic adventure, with every turn offering a new vista, a new story waiting to be told. Here, nestled amongst rolling hills, lies the Yarra Valley. This picturesque region is a haven for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. The valley stretches out before us, a patchwork of vineyards, forests, and farmlands, each contributing to the region's unique charm. A land transformed by the hand of man, yet still possessing a wild beauty. The Yarra Valley is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and human endeavor. The cultivated vineyards blend seamlessly with the wild, untamed areas, creating a landscape that is both productive and breathtakingly beautiful. For generations, this region has been renowned for its viticulture. The history of winemaking here dates back to the 19th century, with pioneers who saw the potential of this fertile land. Today, their legacy lives on in the thriving vineyards and the passionate winemakers who continue to innovate and excel. Row upon row of meticulously kept vines stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the dedication of the people who tend them. Each vine is a labor of love, nurtured through the seasons to produce grapes of exceptional quality. The sight of these endless rows is a reminder of the hard work and commitment that goes into every bottle of wine. The fertile soils and temperate climate provide ideal conditions for producing some of the finest wines in the world. The unique terroir of the Yarra Valley, with its rich, well-drained soils and cool climate, allows for the cultivation of a diverse range of grape varieties. This combination of natural factors and human expertise results in wines that are celebrated globally for their complexity and elegance. From the robust Shiraz to the delicate Chardonnay, the Yarra Valley offers a symphony of flavors for every palate. Wine enthusiasts can indulge in tastings at the many cellar doors, each offering a unique experience and a chance to discover new favorites. The region's winemakers take pride in their craft, and their passion is evident in every sip. But the Yarra Valley is more than just wine. It is a destination that offers a wealth of experiences for visitors. From hot air balloon rides that provide a bird's eye view of the stunning landscape, to leisurely bike rides along scenic trails, there is something for everyone to enjoy. The valley's natural beauty and diverse attractions make it a perfect getaway for those looking to relax and explore. It is a region of culinary delights, where farm-fresh produce and artisan cheeses grace the tables of award-winning restaurants. The Yarra Valley's fertile land not only supports vineyards, but also a thriving agricultural community. Local farmers and producers take pride in their work, offering a bounty of fresh, seasonal ingredients that inspire chefs to create mouth-watering dishes, a true feast for the senses. Dining in the Yarra Valley is an experience that goes beyond just the food. It's about the ambiance, the connection to the land, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. Whether it's a casual picnic in a vineyard or a gourmet meal at a fine dining restaurant, the Yarra Valley offers a culinary journey that is as memorable as it is delicious.
Our journey now takes us to the vibrant heart of Victoria, Melbourne, a city pulsating with life, creativity, and a distinctly cosmopolitan flair. Melbourne is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a modern, forward-thinking spirit. The cityscape itself is a testament to this unique blend, where Victorian-era architecture stands proudly alongside gleaming skyscrapers, creating a captivating contrast. But Melbourne's true beauty lies in its cultural tapestry. Wander through the labyrinthine laneways, adorned with vibrant street art, and discover hidden cafes, independent boutiques, and a thriving live music scene. From world-class museums and art galleries to bustling markets and hidden gardens, Melbourne offers a feast for the senses and a journey of discovery for every visitor.
And now we leave the bustling city behind and venture once more into the embrace of nature. Just a short distance from Melbourne lie the Dandenong Ranges, a lush mountain range cloaked in emerald forests and wreathed in an ethereal mist. Here, towering mountain ash trees, some of the tallest flowering plants on Earth, reach for the sky, their canopies forming a verdant ceiling above. The air is cool and crisp, filled with the scent of eucalyptus and damp earth. Walking trails wind their way through the ferns and undergrowth, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking panoramic views. The Dandenong Ranges offer a sanctuary for both wildlife and weary city dwellers alike, a place to reconnect with nature and find solace in its calming embrace.
And now, we venture to a place where the land meets the sea, a peninsula sculpted by time and tide, the Mornington Peninsula. Stretching out southwards from the sprawl of Melbourne, it offers respite in the form of rugged cliffs, sheltered bays, and sandy beaches that feel a world away. The air here is alive with the cries of seabirds, riding the wind that whips across the waves. It's a landscape that has drawn people for millennia, from the original inhabitants, the Boonwurrung people, to the artists and city dwellers seeking solace in its beauty.
We journey now to a land of ancient mountains, their peaks rising dramatically from the surrounding plains, the Grampians National Park. These sandstone ranges, weathered by millennia of wind and rain, hold within their folds a story that stretches back to the dawn of time. Towering cliffs, painted in hues of ochre and gold, stand as silent sentinels, guarding secrets passed down through generations. It's a landscape that speaks of resilience and endurance, a testament to the power of nature's slow, inexorable hand. And within this rugged terrain, life finds a foothold, clinging to the steep slopes and sheltering in the cool, damp gullies.
Our journey takes us now to the southernmost tip of mainland Australia, a place where the land meets the vast expanse of the Southern Ocean in a dramatic embrace. Here, the wild Southern Ocean crashes against ancient granite cliffs, creating a spectacle of raw, untamed beauty. This is Wilson's Promontory, a sanctuary for those seeking the wild heart of nature. Affectionately known as the Prom, this national park is a beloved destination for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Its rugged trails and scenic vistas offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. The landscape here has been sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of nature. The windswept heaths and towering granite formations tell a story of endurance and change. As you venture further, the windswept heaths transition into dense forests, each ecosystem teeming with life. The diversity of vegetation is a testament to the park's rich natural heritage. Secluded coves and hidden beaches are scattered along the coastline, each one a haven for marine life. Snorkelers and divers can explore the underwater world, discovering vibrant coral reefs and an array of sea creatures. The panoramic views from the high points of the park reveal a landscape of unparalleled beauty. It's a place where the raw power of nature is on full display, yet there is a serene harmony to be found. The boundaries between land and sea blur here, creating a unique environment where the elements are in constant interplay. The shores are a dynamic blend of rocky outcrops and sandy beaches, each with its own character. Standing on the edge of the world, one can truly feel the immensity of the ocean. The horizon stretches out endlessly, a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the sea. The Southern Ocean's vastness is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It stretches beyond the horizon, a boundless expanse that invites contemplation and reflection. Amidst this untamed wilderness, there is a profound sense of peace. The serene landscapes and tranquil settings offer a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here, one can truly connect with nature, feeling a deep sense of belonging to the natural world. It's a place where the soul can find solace and rejuvenation, surrounded by the timeless beauty of Wilson's Promontory.
The year is 1851. News has spread like wildfire across the globe. Gold has been discovered in the Australian state of Victoria. A tidal wave of fortune seekers, from seasoned miners to wide-eyed dreamers, descends upon the region, transforming sleepy settlements into bustling boom towns. Among these gold rush towns, Sovereign Hill stands as a living testament to those heady days. This meticulously recreated township transports us back to the 1850s, allowing us to walk in the footsteps of the pioneers who shaped Victoria's destiny. The air hums with the clang of blacksmiths' hammers, the rumble of horse-drawn carriages, and the excited chatter of prospectors sharing tales of newfound riches. Here, history isn't confined to dusty museum displays, it unfolds before our very eyes.
From the bustling goldfields, we journey now to the serene embrace of Lake Eildon, a sprawling inland sea nestled amidst the forested slopes of the Victorian high country. Created by the damming of the Goulburn River, this man-made marvel has become a haven for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The lake's crystal-clear waters, reflecting the azure sky above, stretch out as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to lose themselves in the tranquility of the surroundings. Here, amidst the towering eucalyptus trees and the gentle lapping of water against the shore, one can truly reconnect with the rhythms of nature. From the rugged coastline of the Great Ocean Road to the serene beauty of Lake Eildon, our journey through Victoria has revealed a land of astonishing diversity and captivating charm. We've witnessed the raw power of nature, delved into the annals of history, and experienced the vibrant pulse of its modern cities. But these are just a few highlights, and Victoria has much more to offer for travelers seeking natural beauty, wildlife, history, and urban excitement. I hope you have enjoyed this tour around Victoria. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this from around the world.